Hello and welcome to the fourth instalment of the Intuition Toolbox. My name is Jacinta Dickin and I'm an intuitive health coach. Today we are going to be looking at our fourth tool, which is a candle. So now might be a good time to pause and reach for a candle and some matches. So what you'll need to do is grab that candle, open up your matches and light that candle. Oh, I love the sound of that match burning. Okay, so once you've lit your candle, now what I'd like you to do is just to gaze at the flame. So do you remember we talked before about our breath work? So breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. That belly getting so large as you're breathing in, like you've eaten an enormous lunch, and now breathing out. So while you're doing that, concentrate purely on the top, the tip of the flame. Notice how it moves and bounces, how it reacts to your breath as you lean over it. And just place all of your attention on that candle flame. Such a beautiful sight. Notice the colours. Notice the range of colours. Notice the power and the strength of the flame. And as you place all of your attention on that flame, let go of anything else that's in your mind. We've talked previously about removing things from our brain, the front of our brain, with our fingers, two first fingers and thumb, and just pulling them away as though they're a spider's web from the mind. Breathing in, breathing out. So the flame is representative of one of the elements in our environment, that of fire. And fire is such a beautiful and powerful presence in our lives. And when we can focus purely on that light and the way it moves and reacts, and the colours, the blue at the base, and the bright yellow, and then the red at the tip, and sometimes the smoke that comes up from it. Just concentrate on that beautiful flame in front of you and allow all that is now to be present. I like to do this practice first thing in the morning, just to take a few minutes before anything else begins, where I just look at this candle. And you know what, it can be any candle, but I'm beginning to get a little bit fussy about the candle that I choose. I love the candle that I have at the moment because it has such a big, strong flame. And it's such a pleasure to watch this flame. Sometimes as the candle begins to get deeper and deeper, we don't see that strong flame, particularly in the larger versions of candles. I'm getting fussy and preferring a natural essential oil smell to my candle. I notice the smell, it begins to affect me the more and more present I become in this process. And as I sit here, I can see this flame, but I can hear, I can listen with my heart and my ears to the words that are being said to me. And so today, the words that are being said to me are, go slowly, just enter. Rest, just enter. Breathe, just enter. And notice when you close your eyes, that imprint of the flame is everywhere on your eyelids. Such is the power and the strength of this flame. And allow the flame to energize you and cleanse you. Allow that power and strength to flow right through you and release all that is no longer needed in your life. And one of the best ways you can do this is to set an intention each time you light a candle. So today, you could set the intention of becoming grounded as you light this candle. Or perhaps you could set the intention of clarity. And just allow the candle to do its work. And very often you'd like to stop. You'd like to think, I've done enough, I don't need to do any more. But actually that's the most powerful point. The point where you just want to keep looking. So I'll leave you looking at that beautiful flame.